Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I absolutely love this PAW Balm from Forticept. This is their PAW Forte. It's an antimicrobial protection balm, and I really love using this on my dog's paws. She will lick them raw. So in addition to a dog cone, I do have to also protect them and help them heal, and this works really well. It's antibacterial, antifungal, it promotes healing, and it's water resistant. It also has non-toxic protection, so if your dog does lick her nose, their paws, you don't have to worry about any issues with them ingesting this. It really helps soothe her skin, and it decreases that cracked, chapped area of their skin that I've noticed also on my dog's nose a lot. She gets really scaly on her nose, and so I put this on her nose. By far, my favorite feature of this is the application style. So nice being able to apply this without getting your hands all gunky. You can hold them and roll it on. It's been really great. It's helped our dog out tremendously. She goes through this licking of her paws every year because of her seasonal allergies, and awesome product. But that's just my point of view.